fucking bullshit. Shut the fuck up.
You living your life the best you ever had, just to see it come crashing, I'm burning. You don't know the feeling. In the car with a bottle of liquor, a pistol, a lonely killer. Ain't no love at the top, just a lonely nigga. Ain't no love at the bottom either. All these blood-sucking leeches and bottom feeders. All these sores on our feet cause we overstepping. He just
Easy, babe, at the top is lonely. Got choppers on me, can't stop the moment. I just popped the song, man, now I'm calm. All that body on me, got you hot, I'm warm. And it ain't gonna help you more than I'm gonna harm you. Out you by myself, rolling like an army. Fuck her by herself, fuck her with her homies. I don't need nobody, I don't see no side. I don't see nobody about it. I bet you see a Rari on Giovanni's. And I bet this pipe knocked the Peter out. I'm better pick a pepper. All my little devils high from here to heaven. Better get a reverend. Bet his mama cry when she hit a reverend. Shots hit the reverend. Better get it extra with your lonely ass on your only fans. You your only fan. You gon' die stripper. Wasn't born to dance. Niggas, I'm the only man. Let you stay lonely. Let you skate on it. Let you play on it. Then lay on it and cut on them J on it. Like you were not alone.
lonely, lonely baby. Lonely, lonely baby. A lonely, lonely.
Now it's me and all my whiskey friends, and I'm tired of it. We act whiskey, whiskey, won't you go away? Come again some other day. Cause a memory came out to play, and I'm tired of it, tired of it. I don't wanna wonder where she been. Where she at? She was here, now she gone again. Now it's me and all my whiskey friends, and I'm tired of it, tired of it.
Yeah, dark brown skin, caught eye contact while walking in. Perfect timing, get beside me, now we locking in. She like, tell me how you want it, on the rocks again. Little salt around the rim, feel to the top again. Fell back, now I'm back in it. Deal shots got me sending. Big rapper DJ skinny, playing Richard Mille square business. See me in the club, two-stepping, diamonds around my neck, square dancing. You done made a gangster romantic, fiending for your...
A lot of us really understand the fact that a man granting us access into his life is really a perk, a privilege, and a benefit. It really is. So y'all walking around talking about, I'm gonna do me, boo. The men are like, okay, cool. But don't hit me up talking about what I'm supposed to do in the midst of all of that. These men don't need y'all. Y'all make it seem like it's a luxury for a man to have today's women. The average today's woman is a woman that, again, is entitled, selfish, greedy, needy, broke, ran through. And even the bad ones, y'all just as worse as the average chicks. Yeah, all of y'all beautiful, fine, sexy women out there, yeah, trash, boring. You said that you were too lit to be settled down. You were going through your whole phase. Remember that? So, yeah, a lot of y'all have already missed that boat, baby girls. Or should I say, baby grandmas. They're not going to go back and forth with you. They're not going to argue with you. They're not going to beg with you. They're not going to plead with you. You will get a warning at best. And if it's no changed behavior, they're out.
Do you want to spend hours and hours and hours working with a difficult customer, or do you want to have ideal customers, right? My best customers in any business I've ever owned, I literally get on the phone and I call them. Like, what can I do? How can I help? What are you looking for? And it was great. I mean, you get to know them, you get to know their families, what are some of the things they're struggling with, you try to help them. Those are the ones that make your business go. Figure out who your best customers are and try to duplicate that. Don't hold on to the ones that are drawing.
One of the things I discuss with my clients when it comes to marketing is that it's not just enough to do more marketing and spend more and have more output. It's the quality of the content you're putting out. And the important thing is we need to be looked at as that premium go-to guy with those high standards, right? So it's important that we invest into a good photographer for our team, a good videographer, so that when we're seen, we're looked at in a different light. We can weed out some of those guys that are just kind of price shoppers. We want to make sure we're dealing with the best clients because we're putting out the best marketing.
Couple lessons. Number one, be careful who you partner with. It doesn't matter what's on that contract. If they have bad intentions, they're going to try to get you at the end of the day, regardless of what's written on that sheet of paper. Really, the character of who you're dealing with should really matter a lot. Their intention should matter a lot. If someone has bad intentions, it doesn't matter what the legal documentation is. Don't get into bed with them. I always hear these guys too, these VCs talking about partnering. Everyone should partner. You got to be real careful if you're partnering, especially someone you don't know well. Nothing will kill a business like that split.
Saving money is plain and safe, I can't lie. So, savers or losers, alright? Savers or losers in this game, bro. Y'all gotta tap in, for real. Savers or losers, you feel me? You get money, you use it, invest it. That's how the game works. Duh, like, the fuck? That's how the game works, you feel me? So, be intentional with your money. Use that money to invest.
New business owners effectively manage their startup capital and finance.
One, you have to manage better. I'm so guilty of that, man, because I came up in the era where it was YOLO, you only live once, ball out, hey, you will make it back. But, of course, if you want to run a successful business, you have to think about the future. You have to think about tomorrow, what can go wrong, have a savings in place, things of that nature. If you want your business to go to the next level, man, you always need reserves. Two, you need systems. You have to be able to pay for those systems. Those are some things that I've learned growing in business, is learning how important it is to have a steady income stream so you can take care of all those things. I came from the ball out area. Ball out. Buy this. Get this. Do this. Nah, man. Put money back in your business.
Choose your friends wisely. I can now look back on my 20s and I can see where some of my friends made decisions in that period of their life that they have never recovered from. I chose wisely the friends I hung out with in college, and as a result was protected from some things that friends of mine were not protected from. I wasn't tempted by things they were tempted by, and to this day I can look back and see a path where I could have gone one way, but I didn't, largely because I chose wisely to spend time with people that were good people, that had a direction in their life, that wanted to do good, live right. And because of that, I was influenced by those people. The peer pressure was positive. The opportunities were positive.
She was sitting, now she gone again. Now it's me and all my whiskey friends, and I'm tired of it, tired of it.